Hi, in this video I'm going to be explaining why the magnitude of x minus a plus I times y minus b is equal to d generates a circle like this with a center AB in the complex plane. So to begin with, we need some vectors like so on the complex plane, and these vectors will have an origin which starts over here. So this first vector over here is going to be called x plus iy. Okay, and this vector is going to help us trace out this circle. The second vector over here will be related to the center of that circle, and it's going to be called a plus ib. Now this red vector over here is going to be related to the radius of the circle. This vector is going to be x plus iy minus a plus ib because of the rules of vectors, right? We're going from this point over here to this point over here. So let's calculate that. So we get x plus iy minus a plus ib. Okay, and that's going to give us x plus iy minus a minus ib. Okay, let's gather up the real elements. That is x minus a. Okay, and what we have to do is multiply I by y minus b. And y minus b is going to be another real element. Okay, so this red vector over here, which is related to the radius, is x minus a plus I times y minus b. That is because we have to go through this vector over here in reverse, and then we go through this vector up here normally. Now to generate a circle, we need to hold down the magnitude of this vector over here. And we can call the magnitude of that vector d. Okay, so the magnitude of x minus a plus I times y minus b has to be some distance. And if you hold down that distance, you will generate a circle with a radius d like so, and with a center AB. As you can see, I've drawn a circle here in green to represent this concept. Also, what is the magnitude of x minus a plus I times y minus b? Well, it's the same as the square root of x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. Now, if we square both sides of this equation, we end up with x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to d squared. And that's the general equation of a circle with a center AB and a radius d in the Cartesian plane. I hope I've explained this concept clearly. If you want to try out drawing this circle, you can do so on Desmos. Just use the equations you see over here and ensure that you are in complex mode like so. Okay, then this formula over here is going to work. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section of this video. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. For my social media links, just visit the links below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.